Okay, I finally got all of my foils swatched, like for the tops. This took an unnecessary amount of time, but okay. Let me show you quickly what I did. Ma'am. So you can see these guys. These are the ones that I did with the foil gel, and then like put the foil on, cured it, put a top coat on. Very time consuming and also kind of wasteful in products unless you have like a foil gel and a top coat that you don't mind essentially wasting. So then I just started cutting little squares, like just the corner of the foil, and taping it on with some Scotch tape. Uses way less foil, no foil gel, no top coat. I used top coat because these ended up being sticky and I didn't want fuzz to stick to them. So this just makes it non-sticky and less wasteful. The only hard parts were foils like this, where I couldn't actually fit the entire thing on the top. So I just cut 2 little squares and taped them on. So I knew what colors were in them, basically. Yeah, that's it. And then I put my foil gel in here as well, instead of in another drawer with a whole bunch of other nail art stuff. So then I can just open it up, take it out if I need to. And I've got these 2 foils that I don't have containers for, but that's okay. I'll just slide them in there until I do. There was also this little one, because they don't fit in both. So this one has all of the animal print. And then like these remind me of stickers from when I was a kid, like holographic stickers. So I put those in there too. This guy slides right in there. And this baby slides right in there. So those are all of the like, I guess, loose foils that I put that are in these containers. And then back here, we have these ones from Glitter Mix Canada that come in these fantastic little storage containers. So we've got one that's all butterflies, and this one that is all animal print, and this one is all florals. So I just slide them back there. I wish I could fit them all side by side, but I can't, so I just gotta pop one on top. That's okay, that's easy. So then at least I know if I'm looking for something specific in there, I can just pull out the whole thing, you know, if I can't find it here. So then I just wanted to update you on my foil journey. Okay, so the next thing I really need to organize are like crystals and like, you know, embellishment-y type, you know, these things. So these are what's left of the like Swarovskis that I had originally. And they're all just in one tiny little stupid container. Yeah, and then we've just got like, you know, just other things from other distributors. This is from Glitter Mix Canada. I think this is from Michaels. I don't like these, by the way. I don't remember where these are from. And I think these are all from Amazon. Let me show you that this way so it's... yeah. Oh, and then there's just like these little doodaddy things. They're all just kind of mixed up, mishmashed, especially this. And a lot of these have like gel kind of like on them. So they're just like not nice looking anymore. And then I was in Michael's not too long ago. And because Swarovski is doing its thing, Michael's has, or had, I don't know if they still do, all of their Swarovski crystals were on sale for like $3.99. And normally these are upwards of like 13 bucks. So, and tell me these are not the funniest / cutest things you could ever put on a set of nails. So I need to organize these guys. These need to be put into something so that I can use them. And I just need it to be like easier. You know, I don't want to like hunt through all of these to find one AB or something. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I have these little pop things that I normally use for glitter, but I think I'm going to use these for some crystal storage. Yes. Yes. Okay. See, one of the things I don't like about it is they are so small and this is so big. I wish I had smaller ones. I do, but they're full of glitter. Ah! No. Okay, so I separated out, where did it go? All the crystals that were in here. I separated them out into like black slash like black base type thing. I don't know why this won't focus. Okay. And then there's a few clear in there too. And then this one has like blues and like some shifty kind of browns and whatnot. And then I found a few more ABs. So I'm just gonna pop them in here. Okay, so I took the things that were in these wheels. I took them out, and that's annoying, like the wheels, and I put them in these guys. So now they just fit easier all together in here. And then also there were things in this guy from Glitter Mix Canada that I just, where did he go? Oh. I put in here. I guess I could have kept it in the same container, but I was hoping that they would all fit. It doesn't matter. It fits there with the eyeballs. And then a few little like 3D charm things. And these guys. And then these fit nicely back there. And these I don't like, so I'm not putting back. They're like those, you know, plasticky, cheap rhinestone things. Yeah, not a fan. They're good for crafts, not for nails. So now I can just pull the whole thing out. Hold on. If I can put this in here somewhere, I have a whole little crystal kit. Let's see. I mean, I guess I could just plop it on top. Okay, so I also moved my stamping stuff from this drawer to on my cart. I put it on the bottom shelf for now. It might switch to the top, but we'll see. Anyway, so I've got my book, plates here, plate cleaner, and then all the stampers, like extra stamping heads, scrapers, that thing. So now I can just take the whole thing out, grab my plates, put them on my desk, and get going. I don't have to go in and out of my drawer forgetting things, because that's what I do. But let me show you this drawer now. Right, so in here we have our crystal stuff. I put those little nippers on there because that's what I use to take crystals off with. And then, if you remember, I put all of my decals in this little pencil bag thing. But since moving all of my stamping stuff out of here, I put all of the decals in this little basket, and then just a few little nail art things on top. This is like real gold foils and stuff from a client, and then just some little random nail art bits that I don't know where else to put them. And they fit perfectly in here. And then there's just like feathers in here. Yeah, it fits perfect. Perfect. In case anybody was wondering, so this cart's from IKEA. You know how Michael's also has like wheeled carts? They're like the Lexington and the Hudson, I think. Anyway, one's long, one's short. They have really cool like attachments. Like they have this paper towel holder. They have like little things that just clip on and they're like hold things. They have all kinds of cool attachments. But the attachments for the Michael's carts don't fit perfectly on the IKEA cart. Just a heads up. This is supposed to like clip, like go on and then clip underneath, and this part is a little bit too thick, and then this is just a little bit too tall. Like, it works, it hangs there, I can use it no problem, and I can like flip it up to get under here. It just doesn't fit perfectly, just in case anybody was curious. Check out what I did with all my wires. So I know you've seen them all over the place. I just put them in this little teeny container. It's not a fancy container or anything, but yeah. So the cord power supply thingy for my e-file, because this is technically cordless, I just have it wrapped up and put in there for when I need it. And then the other cords are just kind of sitting in there. It looks so much better. This one is from my heater. This guy. Oh, it looks so much better. Yeah. Sweet Hoagie, come on, buddy. Just a cute little baby.